Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. For this look, I used the Beauty Creations Cali Chic palette. This is what it looks like. I got this in my December Yes Oh Yes bag, and it was requested that I did something with Boardwalk, this shimmer shade right here in the middle. And this is the look I came up with. It's honestly giving me like summer vibes because it is so cold here in New Jersey. So this is like kind of warming me up just looking at the palette and this look. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. The first shade I'm going into is Venice, and this shade is just, honestly, it's a skin color shade. You can't see it at all. You can kind of see it, but not really. Next, I'm going in with Venice and Marina, and this Marina shade is so pretty, and I'm popping this in the crease again. It's just a nice light brown color. This is a shade I would put all over the lid. Next, I'm going in with Venice, Marina, and Beach Babe, and I am putting this in the crease now. Beach Babe is just a really nice warm toned shade. I really like it. Now I'm going back in with those shades again and just really putting them in the crease, just because the first time I did tap my brush off a little bit, and that's just why. Next I'm going in with Boardwalk, and I'm just putting this on my lid. This shade is stunning. It is so pigmented. It is insane. Beauty Creations has amazing shimmer shadows. So now I'm just blending everything out a little bit, making sure it all looks good. And now I'm going in with this KEVYN eyeliner. And I'm just putting this along the lower, or along the lash line. You can't really see it, but that's what I kind of wanted. I just wanted it to be like a light wash of color, just so my eyeliner or my mascara looked a little better. But yeah, it looks okay. And I'm just tightlining with this as well. Now I am going in with Laguna, and I am just really going to be pressing this up against the lower lash line, just because, like, to give like an eyeliner kind of look effect. That's what I was going for. Kind of, sort of, not really. So now I'm doing my lashes. So first I'm just going to curl them really quick, and then I'm going in with my L'Oreal Lash Primer. I love this stuff, you guys know. This is like one of the rare times I actually filmed my mascara, like a while back. Now I'm using my Buxom Lash Mascara, which I recently finished, and I'm very sad, but I still have so many more samples to use up. I have so much mascara. I'm a hoarder. And then I'm going with my CoverGirl So Lashy Mascara. And I'm going to go do the rest of my face off camera, obviously. And I am back. And for lips, I am using this liquid lipstick that is in my Project Pan. I don't know the name. It doesn't have a name. So, yeah. It was from when I was a brand ambassador for like 5 minutes. And I am no longer a brand ambassador for them because they are no longer a brand. So, I'm just putting this on my lips. And this is the finished look. Before I end the tutorial, I want to give you guys like a little mini Project Pan update. I hit pan on Mary Luminizer. I don't know if you could see, but it's right there. Just a little pan. So excited that I hit pan on this is the first item I hit pan on. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media as well. That's always linked down below in the description box. I'm super active on Instagram and Twitter, so go follow me there. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you would like to see next, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!